So here's my Hoover Model 28 that I got at the convention. I got it for free. I got 6 vacuums for free, so I'll make videos of those. In fact, there's 2 of them right there. But yeah, this is a Hoover Model 28. This is the 3rd one I've owned, and this is one I'm actually keeping. It's all original. Everything on it is correct. Correct bag, correct cord. In fact, it's still got the original plug. Yeah, that's really cool. And it works good, and I even looked inside. It's all clean. It's been taken care of, and the collector that had it last took good care of it. It's got a good light bulb. It works great. So here it is. It works beautifully, and I'm glad I have it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos coming up soon.